Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Stella. Today we'll continue to learn the templates of LanguageCert Academic Writing Part 1, Report Writing, which often includes describing charts. In the last video, we talked about pie charts and how to describe proportions. Today, we're moving on to bar charts and line graphs, which are equally important chart types in the exam. So why do we need a different approach for bar charts and line graphs? Unlike pie charts, which show shares or proportions, bar charts and line graphs usually show trends, comparisons, or changes over time or categories. That means you'll need to describe increases, decreases, fluctuations, and more. Now, let's dive into today's template. In the exam, you don't have time to figure out how to structure your answer. A template helps you organize your thoughts quickly, so you can focus on using accurate vocabulary and presenting the data clearly, but how can we use these templates and fill in the blanks? Now, let's break down the template for bar charts and line graphs. Just like with pie charts, you start by introducing the main topic, main information. You should look at the chart title and summarize what the chart is really about. For example, energy production by source in 2022 or student enrollment numbers from 2010 to 2020. If the data includes a time or place, make sure to mention it. Now, here is where bar and line graphs differ. Generally, you are not describing shares. Instead, you will be focusing on describing trends, comparisons, and changes. Therefore, it is advisable that you prepare sentence structures to describe trends before the exam. Similar to pie charts, there is no need to cover every single trend in your writing given the word count requirement. Select the most prominent trends and put them in a logical order. Above are sentence frames that you can use, and what you put in the ellipsis parts are your descriptions of specific trends. Now, let me give you some useful expressions for different types of trends to help you fill in the blanks of the templates. You fill in the element, for example, soda sales, the time, and the value. For example, there was a noticeable increase in soda sales from 2019 to 2022. Same as the upward trends, you fill in the element, the time, and the value. You can use these sentences to talk about the downward trends. For example, the sales of juice experienced a decline, dropping to 8,000 cups by 2022. There are more useful expressions for different types of trends. Follow me to our next episode.